Hey guys, in today's video, I will show you how to completely reset this 2020 MacBook Air. It's very simple. It has the latest updates on it. So the first thing you have to do, guys, is you have to sign yourself out of iCloud so you can check to see if you're signed in or not. System preferences. See, so we are signed out. So once you're signed out, what you got to do is you got to shut the computer down. That is step number one, shutting down. Okay, now we waited about 30 seconds. It shut down. So there is a button here. So what you're going to do is you're going to press that. And the second you hear a sound, you're going to hit Command and R right when you hit the sound in that order. Command R. Ready? I'll do it right now. Hold that. Command R, and you're gonna hold it like that. It's gonna take about 30 seconds to a minute, and then a different kind of startup menu will open. There you go. So now you can let go of the buttons. Pretty straightforward. Okay, once you're on this page, you're gonna go right there, data utility. So you're gonna double click that. Okay. Now, once you are in here, what you're going to do is you're going to go all the way to the top here onto View. And then you're going to go to Show All Devices. Just like that. And you're going to pick this top one here, guys. Right here. Boom. And you're going to go to Erase. Just like that. You can rename this Untitled. I guess we will name it Tom Drive. All right. And erase. Don't change anything else. Erase. Okay, it's erasing. Doesn't take long. If you got lots of stuff, it might take longer, but we do not. Okay, click done. Now we're gonna go over here, hit this X. Now there's absolutely no program to run the computer on this anymore because we erased everything. So you're going to go in here, install Mac OS. This one here. Yep. Boom. If you're watching this in the future, this might be newer by then. Click on it, continue. And you're basically going to go through all the steps, guys. And that is it. Throw me a subscription. Please do. Thanks. Bye.